In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the print head alignment of your Epson EcoTank ET-2400 printer. Load some paper in your printer and go to your laptop. You have to make sure your printer is connected with the laptop. Go to the start button, open the settings, click on the Bluetooth and devices, and then click on the printers and scanners. Look for your printer, that is the Epson. Select it. Click on the printing performance. There is a small window. We have to look for the print head alignment. In this small window, click on the maintenance and then look for the print head alignment page. Select it. Now click on the next. First option is vertical alignment. So click on the print icon. It has printed a sheet that is for the vertical alignment. We have to select the correct box in each of this. We have to select very smooth square from the page. So number 3 was correct. For hash 2, I can say the number 1. So just have to enter the correct values and now click on the next. This is going to print another page. For that, click on the print. So that is for the horizontal alignment. Look at this page. At this page we have to find a perfect rectangle that is not overlapping. So I'm just going to enter that here and click on the finish. Now do a print. So we'll check if it's working properly or not. For example, I'm just going to print a page. So I'm just going to copy. That's the color copy. So print result is good and it is working. So we can see the lines and vertical or horizontal lines has reduced a lot. Now to improve the print quality, you can just repeat the alignment again. So this will improve the print quality. That's all about the print head alignment of this printer. Thanks for watching.